Ooh, you could splash in there.
No, how about the... Wow, I can get it.
Okay.
I can catch from over here. They'll follow up. I can run it.
Okay. Okay, I'm watching. Whoa! Super fast. Move your umbrella so I can see your face. There we go.
How would you take that?
I don't have rubber boots on, man. I don't want my
Try this one and
No, I don't want my feet wet, man. Okay, you do it one more time. On your mark, get set, go. Good stomping. How about we go take a nap? It's 2 o'clock, man. I did set the timer and it went off just a minute ago. Yeah?
How about you keep taking pictures?
How about I keep taking pictures? But a minute ago you told me not to take any.
Well, I'm going to take it.
Yeah, I bet you are. Okay, Abby, I'm going to stop taking a video and I'm going to come get you. Capiche? Do one more big splash if you want.